Thank you, Prashantji, for the lovely introduction. Mande Matram Pragati. Am I audible? All right, thank you. So I'm Anju Gupta, and this is my brand name, Trendy Wraps. So wedding gifting is what we specialize in, and the second specialization I would say is for Diwali hampers. So if you want to give a gift for like maybe very small gift on Diwali or maybe a very costly gift on Diwali, so we specialize in all. Same goes for wedding. Apart from this, I'll be telling you we do many things. So we do timeless gifting for timeless bonds. So whenever you are giving a gift, you are making a bond with the receiver. And so your intent, your love for that person shows by the kind of gift you are giving. So like my company Trendy Wraps was founded in 2012. Before this, I was an artist and I was doing paintings throughout the year and putting up my solo exhibitions also. So I've made more than 1,000 Tanjore paintings and more than 500 different kinds of paintings. I was even taking classes for like in the summer vacations for girls. I was even teaching 16 types of paintings to people. So in 2012, I decided to take up only gifting because that I was doing for a longer time. Making the same design again and again was a little boring for me, and I thought that gifting is more interesting now. And so there were many avenues I would do in this. So in 2012, Trendy Wraps was made, and now even my daughter-in-law, she's joined me in this, and both of us think and make the hampers as per the client's needs. So this is the general introduction. So like bespoke packaging, blending elegance, and passing on the emotions to craft gifts and all that. This is myself. I think this is just an introduction about myself. So like the same thing comes again, my passion for my work is the first thing. And then consistency in my work, my commitment. If I tell you that I'll deliver you the gifts by this date, so it will be done. And we even provide services like we can deliver the gifts to the venue. Supposing we have a wedding, we are doing for a wedding, and they need 400, 500 gifts. Whoever has a wedding at home is so busy himself. The host is so busy. So they tell us कि आप gifts कर दो, but आप वहाँ पहुँचा भी दो. So we do that also. So we do from 1 to 1,000 gifts, and we do give the deliveries. Even if you need one gift, we send it by porter. If you have to attend somebody's wedding, we do that one gift also. If you are having an anniversary or some party at your place, so you need 20 gifts, we deliver that also. If you need 1,000 gifts at your wedding venue, so we do deliver that also. So no cap on quantity, no cap on pricing. So you can tell us, you want to have, like for a wedding, you have a satsang or a kirtan, and you want to give away just for 100 rupees. So we do that also. And we cover all the occasions of your wedding. So these are the things that we do. The wedding trousseau. The wedding trousseau is the clothes that a girl is taking with her when she's getting married. So we pack all those clothes, and even if you want in display packings or she wants to carry in a suitcase. So we package that very well and put in a suitcase, and then the suitcase is again beautified, and so that everything that is going out of the house for the girl is done in a beautiful manner. Ring platters, we do the engagement platters. For both the sides also they are done, the boy and the girl. The wedding hampers, these are the giveaway hampers that we gift to the people. Generally, earlier we used to do invites, wedding invites. Aajkal e-invites ho gaye, so people are not doing much of the invites. So when people are coming to attend your function, the engagement function or your wedding or destination wedding, then the trend is now to give the gifts at that time to all the guests who have come in. So these are the wedding hampers. The room baskets, when we have a destination wedding or some people are coming to attend your wedding and staying in a hotel, so we do these room hampers for them. The first card decoration, so this is when the groom side or the bride side, they want to give a first card, like the card invite, to the other side. So like they want to invite the boys side to हाँ ठीक है आप बारात लेके आइए, and then we do it in a very beautiful manner with an idol of Ganesha. I'll be showing you images. So because it is very aesthetic, like you want to convey your feelings, and then so we start everything with the name of Ganpati. So that all we take into this thing, and then we design the hampers accordingly. Shadow boxes are personal what you have your personality. So the shadow box is the personality showing, and then we make these boxes according to your hobbies and all. German silver gifts we deal in. So these are all the luxury looking gifts and the royal gifts. So wedding invitations also we do. So personalized perfection. So every hamper is custom designed to reflect the couple's unique story and your heartfelt wishes. Luxury in every detail, from premium products to elegant packaging. We create gifts that exude sophistication and charm. Seamless customization, experience that matters, end-to-end gifting solutions. These are all the things that we provide. And one thing which is not mentioned here, I would say, is affordability. So at Trendy Wraps, you find luxury with affordability. Whatever luxury and whatever royal things, premium looking things you see in the market at good stores. So we do exactly the same things. We're buying from the same houses, same factories who are providing them at almost half the rates. So their luxury comes with affordability. So like this is a first card hamper. So where they had to give the card for the boy and girl, like to the boy's side, the girl side had to give. And that is also a first card hamper. So along with this, the card goes. Few more images for the ring platters, for the engagement ceremony. This is the wedding trousseau. So when a girl is going, her clothes are packed in, the clothes, the bags, the cosmetics, everything is packed in a very beautiful way. So these are given on engagement and otherwise also at the time of wedding. So these are some of the room hampers that we do to be kept in the rooms for the guests. And then these are the giveaway hampers that we do as wedding giveaway hampers. The dry fruit hampers, some people prefer giving just the mithai and the dry fruits as giveaways, and even some stylish kind of things. All right. So these are my clients. So you can just take now. These are the clients whom I am dealing throughout the year with. I'll share in the group also, but you can take a screenshot if you wish to.
They all require MSME loan. Those who want MSME customers.
So most of them are my relatives also. So if I connect you to them, that will be a very personal connect.
All these are HNI clients also.
All HNI clients, all corporates. All corporates. These are my gifts. Kanav Gupta is my son. But I mentioned just in case anybody wants to get connected to him. And these are my asks. So these are my Insta handle and everything, my social media presence. I have my website also. The link is there in the bio of my Instagram. Please, I would request everyone to follow my Instagram page for more updates. And we have a gift on your tables. That's a candle from Trendy Wraps. And do we have some time left? Okay. Yeah. So I just have some questions. Do you want to do beautiful gifts which are pocket friendly? Do you want to create an impression by giving gifts to family and friends? Is it your gift that people will use later on also? Do you need suggestion on what to give in your budget for the function giveaways? If the answer is yes, then come to Trendy Wraps. We have all the solutions for your inquiries and we can suggest you the best of the gifts. Thank you.